Dear students, it is a continuation of the bridge course. Now let us discuss about the cubes and cube roots. Cubes and cube roots. Children, observe the numbers 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, so on. What is the speciality of number? 1 is a product of 1, 1, 1. Here 1 is multiplied by itself 3 times. 1 is multiplied by itself 3 times. Again you take 8. 8 is a product of 2 into 2 into 2. 2 is multiplied by 3 times to get 8. Similarly 27. It is a product of 3 into 3 into 3. 3 is multiplied by itself 3 times. Similarly 64. 4 is multiplied by itself 3 times. 125. 5 is multiplied by itself 3 times. Here these 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, all these are called cube numbers. Then what is cube number? Number obtained when a number is multiplied by itself 3 times are known as cube numbers. Number which is obtained when a number is multiplied by itself 3 times. When 1 is multiplied by itself 3 times, we will get a cube number 1. When 2 is multiplied by itself 3 times, we will get a cube number 8. When 3 is multiplied by itself, we will get a cube number 27. When 4 is multiplied by itself 3 times, we will get a cube number 64. And when 5 is multiplied by itself 3 times, we will get a cube number 125. Similarly, here if 6 is multiplied by itself 3 times, we will get a cube number 216. So, what are cube numbers? Numbers obtained when a number is multiplied by itself. Numbers obtained when a number is multiplied by itself. How many times? 3 times. You already learned that square number is a number obtained when a number is multiplied by itself 2 times. That is a square number. Here, when a number is multiplied by itself 3 times, the number obtained, the new number obtained is called the cube number. So here 1 cube is 1. Then 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2, 8. 3 cube is 27. And 4 cube equals 64. 5 cube equals 125. Then 6 cube is 6 into 6 into 6, that is 216. Then 7 cube is 7 into 7 into 7, that is 343. Then 8 cube is 8 into 8 into 8, that is 512. Then 9 cube is 729, that is 9 into 9 into 9. Then 10 cube is 1000. 10 into 10 into 10. So these are cube numbers: 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216, 343, 512, 729, 1000. All these are cube numbers because they are the product of 3 equal numbers. Children, similarly find the cube of 11. 11 cube, 12 cube, 13 cube, 14 cube, 15 cube, 16 cube, 17 cube, 18 cube, 19 cube, 20 cube. Here what you have to do? Multiply 11 3 times. 11 into 11 into 11. Similarly, multiply 12 3 times. 12 into 12 into 12. Now about the cube roots. Cube root. Then what is cube root? You know that 2 cube equals 8. Then here 8 is a cube of 2. 8 is a cube of 2. Then what is the cube root of 8? You know that the symbol of cube root is this one. So you can write cube root of 8 equals 2, because 2 cube is 8. Therefore cube root of 8 is 2. Similarly, you can write what is the cube root of 125. You know that 125 is a cube of 5. 5 cube equals 125. Then what is the cube root of 125? Cube root of 125 is 5. Then what is the cube root of 1000? Then cube is 1000 is a cube of which number? 10. Therefore cube root of 1000 is 10. Similarly, what is the cube root of 8000? Here you know the cube root of 8. And 8000 is a cube of 20. 20 into 20 into 20. You will get 20 into 20 into 20. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. And here you must put 3 zeros. Therefore, 20 cube is 8000. Then what is the cube root of 8000? Cube root of 8000 is 20. Cube root of 8000 is 20. So you can, if you know the cube root of 27, then what is the cube root of 27,000? That is cube root of 27,000 is, cube root of 27 is 3, cube root of 27,000 is 30. This way, if you know the cube root of some number, with the help of that, depending upon the number of zeros, we can find the corresponding root. Now let us find the cube root by prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. You know the prime factors. Which are the prime factors? The number which is divisible by that number and by 1 itself are the prime factors or prime numbers. You know the prime factors are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, so on. Now you take one example. Find the cube root of, find the cube root of, find the cube root of 13,824 by prime factorization method. By prime factorization. Children, now you take that number. What is that number? 13,824. Now, here we have to factorize it. You have to find the prime factors of this 13,824. Now, which is the first prime number? First prime number is 2. Try to divide by 2 if it is possible. Verify whether it is divisible by the prime number 2 or not. Here 4 is there in the unit place. So you can conclude that it is divisible by 2. Then you divide, 13 is there. So 2 6 are 12. Then what is remaining here? 13 minus 12. 12 means 1 is remaining. 1 8 18. So 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. Then 2 is there. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Again try to divide by 2. Yes, it is divisible by 2. Then you divide it by 2. 2 you take 6. First you take 2 3s are 2 3s are 6. 9 is there. 9 is not there in the table. 2. So you take 2 4s are 2 4s are 8. And 1 is remaining. 1 1 11. So 10 you can take here. 2 5s are 10. Again 1 is remaining. 1 2 12. 2 6. Again it is divisible by 2 because the unit digit is 6. Then you divide it by 2. 2 1s are 2. 1 is remaining. 1 4. 2 7s are 14. 5 is there. 2 2s are 4. Again 1 is remaining. 1 6 16. 2 8s are. Then it is divisible by, again it is divisible by 2. Then you divide by 2. 2 8s are 16. 1 is remaining. 2 6s are 12. 2 4s are. Again it is divisible by 2. Divide by 2. 2 4s are. 2 3s are. 2 2s are. Again it is divisible by 2. 2 2s are. 2 1s are. Here 1 is remaining. 1 2 12. 2 6 are. Again it is divisible by 2. 2 1s are. Here 1 is smaller than 2. So you take 0. Then 2 8s are. Then 2 5s are. 2 4s are. Again it is divisible by 2. 2 2s are. 1 4 2 7s are. Then now it is not divisible by 2. Now the next prime number is 3. You know that 3 9s are 27. Again it is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. So here you got the factors, right? 13,824. Here write all the factors. 2 how many times are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now you write 13,824. Here how many times? 2 are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 9 times 2 are there. Right? 9 times. 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, 9 times. Now 3 how many times are there? 3 times are there. Now take the cube root. The symbol of cube root already you know. Cube root of. Again you take cube root of. Then make the group of 3 equal elements and you take 1 time. Here you take the cube root correctly. Then take 1 time. 2, 2, 2 and 3. For this 1 time, for this 1 time, for this 1 time, for this 1 time. Now write the product of all these. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Therefore you can write, therefore cube root of 13,824 is 24. In this way, by factorization, you can get the cube root of the given number. Children, here is a homework for you. Write the cubes of the following. Write the cubes of the following. In the first column, write 1 cube equals, 2 cube equals, 3 cube equals, 4 cube equals, 5 cube equals, 6 cube equals, 7 cube equals, 8 cube equals, 9 cube equals. It is 1 into 1 into 1, 2 into 2 into 3 is how much that you have to write. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, like this way. Next here 10 cube. If you know 1 cube, directly you can write 10 cube. Here 1 0 is there. In the cube of 10, there will be 3 zeros in front of 1. You know the cube of 1. 1 0 0 0. Here 2 cube is 8, and how much 0 you must write? 3 zeros. Like this way, by knowing the cube of 2, you can write the cube of 20. Similarly, you can write the cube of 200. Here 2 cube is 8 and 2 zeros are there, means in its cube you must write 6 zeros. That is 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 2 zeros are there. That is triple zeros. That is 2 into 3 zeros you must write. 6 zeros. Similarly, 3 cube is 27. Here you are writing 27. Here 27, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Here 3 times the number of zeros in the 300 that you have to write. That is the method of writing the 200 cube, 300 cube, like this way. That is, first you write the cubes of this number. With the help of this, we can write the cubes of these numbers and this number. That is only change in the number of zeros. You must write the 3 times the number of zeros in the given. Here 3 times 0 means 3 zeros you must put. Here 3 times means 6 zeros you must put. Next one, find the cube root of the following. Write the cube root of 1. Cube root of 1 is 1, you know. Cube root of 8 is 2. Like this way. Then what is the cube root of 1000? Here cube root of 1000 is 10. Here 3 zeros are there in its cube root. You must write only 1 0. Here also 3 zeros are there. You must write only 1 0. You know the cube root of 8. Here you are writing cube root of 8 is 2. Then it becomes 20. Like this way, write the answer here. Next, find the cube root of the following by prime factorization method. We have already discussed about the method of finding the cube root by prime factorization method. So follow the steps and find the cube root of these 3 numbers that you have to factorize it. Must find the prime factors here. You must divide it by 2, 3, 5, 7 like this way. Get the prime factors and make the set of 3 equal factors and find the cube roots.